Purdue University, a prestigious institution known for its research and innovation, is located in West Lafayette, Indiana. But despite its advances in many fields, one aspect of the campus is falling behind: its sustainability practices. In this video, we'll explore some of the environmental challenges Purdue faces and why its current efforts to be sustainable just aren't enough. Let's start with recycling, an area where Purdue could really improve. Recycling bins on campus are often contaminated with trash. It's common to find non-recyclable materials like plastic bags, food wrappers, and other stuff in bins that are meant for bottles and cans. When recycling bins are filled with the wrong items, the entire load is sent to the landfill and it defeats the entire purpose. Many students and staff aren't fully aware of proper recycling methods. Purdue needs better education, better signage, and more clearly labeled bins to make it easier for everyone to do their part. Another problem is the lack of trash cans around campus. If you walk around, you'll notice there just aren't enough places to dispose of your waste. As a result, many people end up dropping their trash on the ground or just leaving it on benches. The absence of trash cans, combined with a lack of visible waste management efforts, sends the wrong message to students and visitors. If trash disposal is inconvenient, it leads to littering. Purdue needs to prioritize more accessible and frequent waste disposable options across the campus. Now, let's talk about transportation. Purdue's sprawling campus and surrounding area are dominated by cars. On any given day, you'll see vehicles filling parking lots and streets. Not only does this contribute to air pollution, but it also promotes car culture over sustainable options like walking, biking, or public transportation. The large number of cars can create traffic congestion, things that could easily reduce with better infrastructure for alternative modes of transportation. Purdue can invest in more bike lanes, campus shuttles, or programs that would encourage people to carpool and walk. Another overlooked issue at Purdue is noise pollution. The constant hum of traffic, construction, and large events make for a noisy environment. This excessive noise can negatively impact surrounding wildlife by confusing them and disrupting foraging, navigation, and reproduction.
Walk sign is on to cross.
Moving on to the research side of things, Purdue is known for its labs, but unfortunately, many of these facilities also generate a lot of waste. This includes paper towels, hazardous chemicals, and single-use gloves. Purdue could implement waste reduction strategies in labs, such as reducing single-use plastics, recycling chemical containers where possible, and implementing a glove recycling system as well. Another major issue is the heavy use of concrete throughout campus. While concrete is durable, it's also a massive contributor to carbon emissions due to its energy required to produce. Large expanses of concrete like parking lots and walkways don't allow for green spaces or biodiversity, which could also absorb carbon and provide natural cooling. Purdue could prioritize sustainable building materials, green roofs, or even better urban planning to incorporate more natural green spaces into campus. Purdue's dining halls, where thousands of meals are served daily, are yet another area where waste is an issue. Paper plates, plastic cups, and disposable cutlery are often used. Many students also leave food on their plates, adding to food waste. A campus-wide initiative to reduce disposable items, encourage food waste composting, and educate students on portion sizes could make a huge difference in reducing Purdue's overall environmental impact. Lastly, the biggest issue is that Purdue does not have a clear and comprehensive climate action plan. While there are some sustainability efforts in place, like recycling programs and energy-saving measures, they aren't enough to meet urgent climate challenges we face today. Without a clear roadmap, Purdue is missing an opportunity to become a leader in higher education sustainability. Universities have a responsibility to not only educate the next generation, but also model responsible environmental practices for the world to follow.
Ho, ho! Purdue's pollution has got to go!
Purdue University has the potential to be a leader in sustainability, but as it stands, there's a long way to go. From better recycling practices to a more sustainable approach to waste, transportation, and energy use, the campus can make a meaningful change that would benefit both the environment and the community. Let's hope that Purdue takes the necessary steps to create a greener, more sustainable future for everyone.